a message to the guys that do solar installations. If you haven't touched 12 volt, leave it alone. Give it to, let somebody do it that is 12 volt compliant. Just leave it alone. I know you're trying to make money and all that kind of thing. You know what? If you want to do that, go on a course, a 12 volt course, whatever, a wiring course, how 12 volts work. It's not the 220 volt systems that you install on top of a factory or a house and all that kind of thing. This is a total different kettle of fish. Understand the systems. I had a solar system installed to my 4x4 box drop Caravan by an installer that claimed to be an automotive 12 volt expert. To my shock, I realized this was not the case. My Caravan nearly caught fire. Wayne, all these wires, what are these wires?
Those are wires we took out of your Caravan. They was damaged, either damaged or burnt, and also not up to standards. It's burnt, damaged from shaving on the metal because they didn't use any grommets on your whole system, and burned for loose connections, your PV wires. That was burnt. Don't want to join them. You want to keep one continuous line, which that wasn't done.
Good. That gives me goosebumps. I could have lost my trailer.
Very good possibility, yes.
Yeah. So what have you guys done?
Well, we started with just putting in some grommets, but the further along, we actually saw that more faults and more faults and more faults. So I decided, at the end of the day, just take out everything. We took out everything and we started completely from fresh.
Yes,
so this is a whole brand new installation. Yeah. We've split your AC and DC power, which is, we're running actually together in one DB box, which is not allowed. So we split it up in two DB boxes now. You've got proper DC disconnect fuses now.
Yes.
It disconnects your batteries. You've got a 12 volt fuse box, and then all your equipment has been rewired and everything's fused now. So if there is a problem on the cables, it will pop the fuse instead of blowing your equipment.
One must always remember that a solar system is not a plug and forget system. It needs to be maintained. These are some of the causes of solar fires. Remember, when we go camping, overlanding, we drive on gravel roads, corrugations, rough terrain, so this causes vibrations in the wires and solar components. I've also added some tips on how to prevent possible solar fires. Knowledge is power. Every solar system is designed differently for every single person out there. Your needs is not my needs. So here is some key considerations when selecting a solar system. My advice is, if you are unsure about what to install, speak to an accredited solar installer, or come speak to Wayne here at Aarden Solar. He will be happy to help you. A basic tool set and a screwdriver is your best friend when maintaining a solar system. Folks, don't take advice from campsite gurus that think they know everything about solar. Get to know your system, how it works, because the wrong advice can lead to a catastrophic fire. When installing a solar system into your caravan or overlanding vehicle, you want to have peace of mind of your installation. So here are some key points to look out for when selecting a solar installer. In this economical climate, everybody's out there to make a living. I get that. Then again, when it comes to the safety of my family, verifying the credentials of an installer is of utmost importance. And this is how. if you want to come and see what Aarden Solar does, come to Sondela show. They will be there at the Sondela CakeNet show, and then you might be lucky to see my caravan there too. So guys, join us there at the show, and yeah, come have a look at what Aarden Solar did for us on the caravan. I would really like to say thank you to Wayne and his team at Aarden Solar for redoing the installation of my solar system of my caravan. Thanks, Wayne. You guys have been absolutely phenomenal. Thanks for joining us on this episode of African Gear Guide. It was such a pleasure having you along for the ride. Thank you for watching my content. It means such a lot to me. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that like, share and subscribe button. Drop in a comment and tell us what your experience is with solar installations and what happened to you when somebody did an installation for you that didn't work out for you. Cheers guys, see you next time. God bless.